The three responsibilities of management are to set clear targets for all of the employees at each level of the organization, cascading down from the top. So the executives have goals, the sub-executives have goals, managers have goals, and frontline people have goals. The second necessary tactic is to create incentives that match the goals so that people
get rewarded for doing the right things. Finally, you need to measure
whether or not people's achievement of the goals has matched the set out desirable traits.